In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details to fill out, so your contacts are organized and easy to email. First, open your browser and go to Proton Mail. Sign into your account so you land in your inbox. If your layout looks a little different due to updates or screen size, don't worry. The options we're using are the same, they may just be arranged slightly differently. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the right-hand side panel. This panel contains quick access tools. Find the contacts icon, it looks like an address book or person silhouette, and click it. That opens your contacts view where you'll manage everyone you email. Now click Add Contact. This brings up the Create Contact form. Think of this as the card where you'll store the person's details. Start with the basics. Type the first name and last name. Keeping names accurate helps with search later, especially if you have a large address book. Next, add a display name. This is the name that shows up when you compose or read messages. It can match the person's full name, or you can customize it for clarity. For example, including a team or role, so you instantly recognize who you're emailing. You'll see an option to upload a photo. This is optional, and you can add it now or come back later. A recognizable photo can speed up scanning your contacts, but it's perfectly fine to leave it blank if you prefer a cleaner list. Add email addresses next. Type the primary email carefully to avoid typos. Copying and pasting from a verified source can help. If the person uses more than one address, you can add additional emails and label them appropriately so you know which one to use in different situations. You can also add phone numbers. Enter the country code if needed and choose the type, mobile, work, or home to keep things consistent. Only include the information you actually need and are comfortable storing. When everything looks good, click Save. Proton Mail will add the contact to your list and you'll be able to search for them or select them easily when composing messages. If you don't see the changes right away, give the page a moment to refresh. That's it. You've opened Proton Mail, gone to the right-hand panel, launched contacts, created a new entry, filled in names, set a display name, optionally added a photo, included email addresses and phone numbers, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized inbox.